Hello. Today I'm going to show you ABBYY FlexiCapture for purchase orders. The idea of this application is that we can efficiently process purchase orders, combine them into our ERP systems or accounting systems, and get them efficiently moving through our organizations. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to load a few images. We're just going to make sure these are POs that we're going to process. Now what the process is doing now, or what the software is doing now, is it's looking at these purchase orders and determining who the seller is, who the buyer is, and different pieces of that purchase order, dates and amounts and line items, etc. So you can see here, it's processed 2 out of 3, and it'll finish up that third one here very quickly, and we're going to start taking a look at these. We can determine the business unit or the seller, who's the selling party internally that the purchase order is intended to go to. We can determine who the buyer is, and you can see we can drill down and even do some database lookups and then determine who the buyer is and seller. We can find the purchase order dates, the amounts, even different currencies, of course the purchase order number, and definitely one of the things that we want to make sure we grab are all of these line item details. Now these can spur on for pages and pages, and we will find them. Anything highlighted in red here is the software just simply asking you as a human to determine that what it brought back was accurate. So it wants to make sure that this 100A is actually what we see on the document itself. And we can determine here that that is correct. We're going to look through some of these other purchase orders and talk through them. Here's one where we captured the buyer and the seller, and once again the date. Now when I highlight the field, you will highlight where it found it. So for example, order date, found the order date here in yellow. And for the amount, it highlights here in yellow where that amount is. And we also have our line item detail. We'll look at this last one here very shortly. And we see our seller, our buyer, our purchase order date, amount, currency, purchase order number, and our line item details. So the idea of this application is that we can efficiently process purchase orders. We can find things very easily, just a matter of clicks. We can be sending these purchase orders into our ERP or accounting systems, and really making our customers happy by efficiently processing their POs, and making our staff happy because we don't have to type every single line item and every single piece of detail that we find on this document. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day.